Welcome to Eagle Converting, your custom-printed tape specialist. Today we're tackling a common winter challenge, tape that just won't stick when it's cold. Let's explore how you can overcome this issue. When temperatures drop, you might find that your regular tape starts to fail, especially in industries like seafood, produce, ice cream, and meat production, or simply in a very cold warehouse. Standard tapes just don't cut it in the freezing conditions. The solution lies in using the right kind of tape, cold temperature tape, or as we call it, freezer tape, or our printable acrylic tapes. Unlike standard hot melt tape, which hardens and loses stickiness in the cold, cold temperature tape and acrylic tapes are especially formulated to maintain a strong grip, even at low temperatures. Here at Eagle Converting, we offer cold temperature freezer tape, hot melt, and acrylic tapes that have been tested in the toughest conditions. We kept this tape in the freezer overnight to demonstrate its superior performance. Unlike regular hot melt, our cold temperature tapes adhere strongly to corrugated surfaces, ensuring that your package stays securely sealed no matter what the cold temperature is outside. For best results, here are some tips. Ensure that the surface is clean and dry before applying the tape. Even though our cold temperature tape is robust, the clean surface ensures optimal adhesion. Apply firm pressure when sealing. This helps the tape as the adhesion bonds effectively with the surface of the corrugated. Don't let the cold compromise your packaging. Visit us at eagleconverting.net to explore a range of cold temperature tapes and a perfect variety of your needs, including food, shipping, and cold storage. At Eagle Converting, you can trust your packages will stay sealed no matter what the weather is.